There's a good one.
So is it supposed to look like this?
Yes. Look at,
It's supposed to have a long tail end?
yes. Check out, this is what mine looks like. I have a weighted jig head on here.
Too.
So it's like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Here, let's go ahead and cast hers out and then let the line.
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
No, he had it. Like,
No way. I got, what is this?
get him up, get him up. Get him up.
So this video is very much long overdue. About a couple of months ago, I made a poll on what videos you guys would want to see. And then you guys responded you want to see more catch and cooks. So that's, judging by the title of the video, that's what we're doing today. I'm joined by Leaving Ethan. All right, he's gone. I don't know where he's going, but I'm going to the restart. All right, take two. I'm joined by Ethan, AKA the Redhead Fisherman. Now, today's video is something special. Not only is it a catch and cook, but every single year, the crappie in this lake we're about to fish make a run to the shallows. And this is when you can catch up to 30 fish in a day. Not saying we're gonna do that. That would be pretty ridiculous, but that's just, I'm emphasizing the extent of how good the fishing could be. We're gonna be fishing underneath this bridge today. Ethan's gonna stay up there. He'll pull some out from up there, but I'm gonna be down here because I'm working on drop shot. Let's traverse this without falling in. That would be a horrible way to start off the day. Okay, woo. Rig I'm throwing is very simple. I'm just taking Berkeley Gulp minnow, and then I'm gonna dip it in some Spike It to give it some chartreuse color and also some extra scent for this muddy-ish water. Take a deep whiff. That's what I do with all my Berkeley products. You just gotta smell that gulp scent. Very simple drop shot today. Got a size 3, I believe, mosquito hook. Okay, adjusted my bobber, made it a lot deeper. Feeling good now. Ooh, look, it's a diving bird. I don't know what the name is called, but that's what's been causing the ruckus. Oh, there's one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a keeper. That's an eater, boys. Let's go. I knew it. They're gonna be here. That's a white crappie, and it's a good one. Good sized white crappie. Nice. Boys, the catch and cook is happening. It's gonna happen. Oh, chill. Literally, chill. Because there's just ice in there. It's kind of cruel. It's a cruel joke, but you guys get the point.
Doing a little bit of crappie fishing.
Okay, let's get on some more. According to Ethan, this is the prime time for crappie fishing. There's one. Okay, maybe it is the prime time for crappie fishing. Yeah, it's too small. I'm not gonna use this guy. All right, see you, buddy.
Too small.
Just do your intro. Say, I've already been fishing for this long.
Right.
Have this many fish caught.
6:30.
But now is prime time.
4:15.
That's a bite. Haha. Hey, Ethan, you want to start your intro with me reeling in a fish?
Aw, dinker.
Welcome back to another Redhead Fisherman video. Yeah.
Away from you?
Ethan's doing his intro right now. Y'all go sub to him if you haven't already. I'll have it linked down in the description. I'm gonna let it sit and then just... Dude. Oh, came off. Oh, or maybe it's still on. Wait.
That's off.
Dude. That was a bowfin.
Wait, he's still there.
Let's go. Dude.
Was it recording?
Record now.
I don't know, but I just hit record.
Oh, well. Oh.
Okay. I got something. He just took the rod way out. I mean, my rod is almost gone, though.
Man, Ethan, what you got there?
Cat.
Oh, it's catfish.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, he jumped and I was like, what is that? Alright, well, that's alright. Decent catch nonetheless. Alright, doing a little live stream on the TikTok. And hi guys, we're catching crappie. Yes, I have caught 2 keepable ones because everything else is tiny. But oh, I'm getting bit, I think. Let me sit you guys down so I can cast. But okay. Okay, now that that's out there, let's pick you guys up again. What do you guys want to be like on the ground or something? Or just I'll hold you or something? What state am I in? I'm in Virginia. Oh, guys. Oh, we have a fish. Oh, no. Ah. Came off, guys. No, he's on there. This is good. Feels like a bass. What the? Oh. No. Whatever it is, it's good. It's good. That's good. Yes! Big craw. Oh, dude.
Oh.
Dude.
Dude, get him in.
Dude.
Lip him.
Hold my rod. Oh, guys.
Nice.
Guys. Y'all, look at the size of this thing on the live stream. Look at that. That's an eater. Thank you.
Just caught a few.
Do you want to see a fish I just caught? All right, look at this. Ah, this thing is called a largemouth bass.
No. Please.
No,
It's a crappie.
It's a crappie. Check that out.
Oh.
Yeah. Look. It is a big fish, yeah.
That's the biggest crappie I ever caught.
Yeah, it was huge.
Oh, thank you. Eating burgers while fishing. What can be better? Oh, look at that. Look at mine. Oh, that's good. Huh? It's okay. That's an eater. Nice. There we go. Yeah, we've got so many fish. It's just like, well, there we go. If this was the, you did what? A 2,360s? Yeah. Anyways, like.
He swam off.
Right. If this was the winter time and we caught that guy, we'd be jumping up and down.
Yeah.
But now it's just, you know, it's that time of year where everything's just turning back on. Oh, there's one. Oh man, it's a shame that not all of you guys will make it to my video, but too bad.
Yeah. I will say the tug never gets old.
It doesn't. Especially after such a long winter.
Oh yeah. It's been...
Hey, double up, boy.
Double up, yeah.
Oh, whoa. This is good. Okay, this is good. Can't lose him. All right, land this guy. Oh, this is a couple pounders. Ethan. Let's go. Dude, what?
Jeez.
Let's
oh my
go.
Gosh, Ryan.
I know, it's just insane.
Sometimes it is just easier. Look, hook just came right out.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
So is it supposed to look like this?
Yes. Look at,
Is it supposed to have a long tail end?
yes. Check out, this is what mine looks like. I have a weighted jig head on
Mine
here.
too.
So it's like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Here, let's go ahead and cast ours out and then let the line.
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
No, he had it. Like,
No way. I got, what is this?
get him up. That's actually a good one.
No way.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow. You saw that though, right?
Yeah, I saw that. You dropped it, he ate it, and then like got off, and then I dropped mine in, caught him again. They're, you know what? Here.
That was my craziest moment so far this year. Just drop fish. Like,
Right.
I mean,
Rolling? Good. All right, so welcome back to the 3rd edition of In the Kitchen with Fishery Inn. Right here we have a beautiful black crappie. This is the biggest one I caught, and How I'm gonna prepare it is a way I've never actually cooked any of my own fish. It's gonna be interesting, so it'll be quite the journey. So first of all, let's cut up some spring onion. Be careful when you're doing this, guys. Don't cut off your fingers. Then you won't have fingers to fish anymore. Didn't do the cleanest job with this, but it'll do. So right here, we got some spring onion, and we got some ginger as well. We got some wine right here. Gonna pour it on our fish, not too much. In controlled amounts, okay, that's good. And then we're just gonna lay on our ginger. Just sprinkle that on there. Okay, now take the spring onion and just cover it up, because okay, my mom says it's too much, so I'm gonna remove some. That should be good. So this is what we have right here. Next step, put it in the steamer. So we're gonna go ahead and put this fish in here. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Cover it up and let's set the time for 12 minutes. And now we wait. Okay, timer's off. It's been 12 minutes. Oh, how's our crappie doing? Oh, he's looking fine. Let's go ahead and put him right here for now. Now that we have our fish like here, right here, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all this old spring onion, and I'll show you guys why in a second. So now what we gotta do is take some olive oil, put it in the pan, and we're gonna heat that up. While we wait for this oil to heat up, we're gonna come over here and place more fresh pieces of spring onion on here. And then we will proceed to pour that hot oil on here, and it'll be so cool. It'll be like cooking it all over again, even though it's already cooked. Ooh, would you look at that? Looks like our oil is ready. We're gonna just lather this fish slowly in this oil. Oh, here it is. That's so cool. And the very last step of this process, add some soy sauce. That is looking pretty good, guys. Now, all this would not be worth it unless this fish actually tasted good. So let's go ahead and rip a little piece off. Oh yeah. That meat is looking white. The skin comes off very nicely. It's looking delicious, guys. Okay, bottoms up. Let's give it a go. Yeah, we did it. That is mission success. That flavor is so nice, especially I think that spring onion did something really special with that meat. It doesn't have any fishy taste at all. It's just deliciousness that's in your mouth. It literally melts like butter. Well, everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Gonna eat this fish along with my family, but thank you so much for watching. If you guys wanna see more videos like this, let me know down in the comment section down below. Let me know what other species of fish you want me to catch and then proceed to cook. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always folks, fish for the adventure.